What up YouTube, it's Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to give you an update on the challenge that I was doing. I was actually doing a challenge of turning 10 US dollar into 500 US dollar. So I will just give you all the details about the trades that I've taken and the results. So actually I've started I've actually started with this challenge last week, and I've blown in this account. I've blown the account. So now I deposited another 10 US dollar. Now, yes, you will see in the next episode, in the next video, not in the next video, but in the next couple of minutes of this video, you will be seeing the result that I've taken. So watch until the end, and if you learn something, guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. So, and also guys, our next episode will be released next week, guys. So every week I'll be releasing a new episode of this challenge that I'm doing until I reach the target, guys, with the target which is 500 US dollar, from 10 US dollar up to 500 US dollar. Once I'm done with the challenge, I'll be withdrawing, then I will start another challenge, guys. So guys, like the video, share the video, comment below what you think about this strategy that I'm using. And if you feel like, okay, you want to join our free Telegram group, it's for free, you don't have to pay anything. Click on the link below so that you can join our team, our community, guys. So guys, let me show you later in the video. Let me show you what are the results that I've been doing on this challenge, guys. Yo, I told you guys, I told you. Look at this EU move, bro. Look at this EU move. Let's look at this. See? Big move. Just from $9 USD. Now we are at 25 US dollar. As you can see here. Massive growth, guys. Massive growth. Massive growth, guys. It was yesterday. Oh, this was the first loss. This was the first losses that I took. Because first we deposited 10 US dollar, and then we lost. We blew this account. Then I deposited again on the 13th. On the 13th of May, as you can see here, $9.92. So you can see. So now currently we are up. So we are up. We are now up 25 US dollar, guys. 25 US dollar from 9 US dollar, as you can see there. See this massive move, guys. You see this massive move, guys. See these massive moves, guys. Let's check this one out. So actually this trade was dropped in our Telegram group, as you can see. Let me just quickly show you. Check this out, guys. Check this out. So we shared this setup, this buy setup on actually we had more positions opened, but then after the market moved in my direction, I removed some profit off the table. So now I left the other one running, as you can see here, and I put my stop loss above my entry just to protect my my profits, guys, as you can see there. So if you want to join this Telegram for free, it's where I drop all the setups that I take. Click on the link in the video description so that you can join for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. So guys, this is our first trades, the first trades that I took on this account. I'm trying to grow this account up to 500 US dollar or up to 1000 US dollar, and then I can withdraw. Then we are done with the challenge, guys, as you can see. So let me just quickly go to MetaTrader 5. As you can see, guys, look at this trade here. Look at this move here. Just look at this move. Just look at this move, guys. Yo, as you can see, we took a loss. We took a loss on GBP/USD, as you can see. Now the account is back to 17 US dollars. You can see now here. This is the trade that I took on GBP/USD, so you can see here. So I actually ended here. I actually ended a buy here. It was a buy here, somewhere here. I ended the buy somewhere here, and then the price took us out, as you can see here. So yeah, now we move on until tomorrow. We can wait until tomorrow. We can trade until tomorrow, as you can see. As you can see on the screen, it's 1800. It's 6:30, as you can see here on the screen. 6:33, as you can see there. So yeah, man, we wait until tomorrow, so that we can trade this account again, as you can see there. So these are the trades that I have taken. So I only took trades on Euro USD and GBP USD and gold. But normally I trade gold, but I cannot trade gold on this account because it's very small, as you can see. So yeah, let's wait until tomorrow so that we can take another trades. Yes, we are in, baby. We are in. We are in, as you can see. So we will hold this one until our TP. So as you can see, guys, we are in. So we're at 17, now we are at 22, as you can see the equity here. So yeah, I'll update you later to see how this trade goes. So for now we can just hold until we hit our TP. Yo, look at this move, yo, look at this move, guys. Look at this amazing move, yo. Yeah. Yo, yo. Look at this. Told you guys, look at this move, man. Huh? So I think GBPUSD will go up. It will go up, so it will continue to move up. So let me just close some trades, then I will hold some until next week. So as you can see there, just look at this amazing profits here. We are close to 50 now. We are close to 50. So I'm just closing some and then I'll keep some running. So I'll put my stop loss above my entry. Let me just quickly change my stop loss and put it somewhere here. Somewhere here above my entries here. 26690, 26690, 26690, 26690, 90, 26690. 26690, as you can see, 26690. Then yeah, see guys, see, I've told you now. The other day I took some losses, so now today we made some 18 bucks. So now that was last week. So last week we had losses on gold, and then we had losses on GBP USD, and then we also had some losses on Euro USD. So now look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So losses must be bigger than your wins, guys. I mean, your losses must be smaller than your wins, guys, as you can see there. Look at that move, guys. Look at that massive move. Look at that massive move, guys. So guys, if you like what you see, in the video, comment below on what challenges should I do next. You can also like the video, share the video, comment below, and also subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified, and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Join our free Telegram group, guys. We do have our free Telegram group. Let me just show you. Let me show you. Okay, this is our free Telegram group, guys. This is our free Telegram group. So this is our free Telegram group, as you can see here. This is where we give out all the trades that we take. All the trades that I've been taking is where we drop our trades, guys. So you see all these trades, and this is our free chat group. This is where we chat. This is where we drop our chats. So currently we have 20 members. So guys, join for free, guys. The link will be in the video description. I'll also drop the link in the comment section so that you can join for free. You don't have to pay anything, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.